Welcome to Rubab Kitchen Secrets. Today I am sharing the recipe of hummus. Believe me, once you try homemade hummus, you are not going to want the store-bought stuff again. Let's make this incredible recipe. We need 2 cans of boiled chickpeas, or 3 cups of boiled chickpeas. Put the chickpeas into a bowl. Now we need to discard all canned water. For this, we need to take out all chickpeas in another bowl. Now we need to peel off our chickpeas to make hummus. But if we can get at least some of the peels off, it will give smooth and silky texture. For this, we put them in some warm water and rub a little with hands, like this. It loosens up enough of the skin, and you can easily fish them out. You will notice the skins just float to the top, so it's very easy to collect. We need a food processor to make hummus. First, put 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, three cloves of garlic, 1½ teaspoon of salt. Cover the lid and pulse that together to well combine. After 2 minutes, we add tahina to 1/3 cup. Cover the lid and blend until the mixture is thick and smooth. Now add 2 tablespoons of ice water and blend. Add 6 to 7 tablespoons of ice water, spoon by spoon. Now add chickpeas into the food processor. 1/4 cup of olive, 1/2 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Cover and blend for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Hummus is ready to serve. Set the hummus in a bowl like that. Put some olive oil over the hummus. Sprinkle some paprika powder. Garnish with chickpeas. Enjoy this delicious homemade hummus. It's very creamy, smooth, and yummy hummus. Thanks for watching.